Daily used English sentences. It doesn't matter. We both like each other. What's your phone number? This is not fair. What do you want to do? It was nice to talk with you. Can you please repeat that? As soon as possible. The matter is clear. Improve your handwriting. What did you say? How much is that? What can I do for you? I hope you understand. Do you have some money? Do you need anything? I don't know telling a lie. I invited him to tea. What can I do for you? Many happy returns of the day. How are things going? What do we call this in English? This is not a joke. Which date falls on Sunday? I am very pleased to meet you. Do you want to join me? Time to practice. The video will be silent. Please read by yourself out loud.